Hello, I'm going to be making a puppet today, but not a puppet like me. I'm going to be making one that's a little bit different. Here are all the pieces and parts. Now let's get started. Bye! Step 2, flip the bird over and decorate the yellow areas with feather stickers. Wait, no. This part I'm going to be talking. So you can decorate your side of yours with anywhere one you like. I'm going to stop the video, and when I come back, it'll be completely decorated. Okay, so it looks like I'm done for this one for now. So I'm going to move on to step 4, which is the crocodile one, which is right here. Let's get started. Now I'm going to I flipped it over. There's that side, and I'm going to be decorating this. You can decorate yours however you like. I'm going to stop the video and decorate it, and I'll come back once it's all finished. And now I'm going to take so I'm going to be taking this one away, and I'm going to finish up this one. I'm pretty sure. And now I'm going to be doing this one. Step 1, stand up. I'll show you. Okay, so I need that and this, I'm pretty sure. And now you make one more of this. See you when it's done. here are the finished products. Here's the bird. Now I'm going to bring my no. Okay, so I have finished my puppets. They are not like me, but a little bit different. Here's the bird, and here's the crocodile. I made this one from Kiwico. There will be a link in the description to find the company. Bye! Please like the video and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!